This was the first time I was attending a speaking forum, and I must say that this forum really stands out in terms of the insights that I received. So many people from different backgrounds, different domains, and such an enriched conversation that I had, got to learn so much more. I feel so much more energized talking about technology, AI, people, and how people are so important, because at the heart of it, I'm an HR leader, right? So thank you so much to Speaking for inviting me for this forum. I absolutely think that, India is evolving very fast. I mean, we are moving away from being, executive or excellence center, which is just responsible for execution, to a power pack center, which is leading from the front, right? Which basically means that what we are doing is we are creating products from India now, right? We are defining the global charters from here now, right? And I think that's very important, right? So I think over the years, if I look at the GCCs, if I look at our startups, we have come a long way, right? And I feel very bullish about what India will achieve in terms of AI and technology and everything else. So I would think that, as the technology is taking the center stage of things, for me as a people leader, I think empathy is pretty key, right? I think AI can do a lot of things. What it can't do is replace humans when it comes to empathy and connecting with people and the leadership skills, right? So I think we need to continue to have these dialogues where, we are talking about empathy, connecting with people. How do we use AI to make our lives better? And what we need to really do is to take away all this toil work of redundant work and replace it with humans focusing on more core work. Right, that is what we need to focus on. And absolutely, I think that APAC as a region is going to lead that, right? Because what we have in APAC is the talent, right? Many of the other countries at this point of time, Western countries, are lacking the right talent, right? But what we have is a talent which is a very AI focused, learning pretty fast. Our kids are learning all these technologies pretty fast, so we are ready to take over the world, is what I think. No, absolutely. I think these forums are very helpful because it's important that we leaders come together, talk about where AI is taking us, how are we using AI, right? How are we using technology? How do we, shape it better? And for us to be, the king in this, area of technology, it's important that we all are heading towards a similar direction, right? And that's why it's important that we come together, have these dialogues, share our perspective, share the best practices, because it's all about helping each other come to the top, right? That is what we can achieve as we are in this region.